sitting right at the surface like he's getting ready to ambush something. Yep, he sure did.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's tangled up in the branches. Get away, get out of the branches. Go away, go around the branches. Come on. Damn.
Hang on.
Shake yourself loose from the branches. Okay, he's free, he's free.
Okay.
And he went right back into it. There we go.
Dude.
He was sitting there like perfectly still, like just staring at the surface like he was about to ambush something.
He was just daydreaming.
Yeah, and he's like, ooh, a worm.
He was just like, I wish I had a really big
Nice looking baseball down there too.